In this video, I will show you how to master the art of prompting for specific emotional expressions in your AI video projects. One of the most common challenges creators face is getting characters to look truly expressive. The secret is that AI video models respond much better to concrete physical descriptions rather than abstract emotional concepts. Instead of just telling the AI that a character is sad, you need to describe the physical effects of that sadness. For intense grief or sadness, try using phrases like weeping, tears streaming down cheeks, eyes welled with water, or a heavy frowning brow. To capture pure joy and laughter, you should prompt for the character bursting into a wide-open mouth laugh with crinkling eyes and a joyful radiant smile, perhaps even shaking their shoulders with laughter. If you need a scene with deep anger or fury, focus your prompt on a scowled intense glare, furrowed eyebrows, clenched jaw muscles, and eyes narrowing in rage. When you want to convey fear or terror, the best results come from describing the character gasping in shock with eyes wide with horror, dilated pupils, and a jaw that is slightly slack or visibly trembling. For those moments requiring subtle contemplation, use words like smirking thoughtfully, eyes narrowing in deep focus, a slow slight nod, or a gentle knowing smile. By focusing on these specific recipes, your characters will become much more lifelike and engaging. Experiment with these physical cues to see the difference in your own creations. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating.